Welcome to Casa Cody, the oldest operating hotel in Palm Springs. I'm Carolyn Schneider, the co-founder of Casetta Group. Casa Cody is the oldest operating hotel in Palm Springs. It was founded in the early 1900s by a female pioneer named Harriet Cody. She allegedly rode in on her horse from Los Angeles and set up a stable on site here at Casa Cody. Lots of history, different buildings brought in over time. The builder of this Adobe house that we're sitting in, his name was Lawrence Tibbett. He was an opera singer, and they would throw parties with Charlie Chaplin and Anais Nin, the writer. Such an amazing, beautiful, magical space. It has a vaulted ceiling, a wood-burning fireplace, the original stone in the kitchen and bathrooms, the original wood floors. We really wanted to preserve and maintain as much of this space as possible and just did little tweaks to update furniture and things. We've heard stories that Charlie Chaplin would perform on the stage, which is still existing in the dining area, and this was definitely sort of the heart of the property. Lots of fun little features. There are wood beams over all of the doorways, so you sort of have the feeling of walking through an older home, very much Spanish inspired. And you just peek out. There are lots of different entry points to the home where you can peek out onto little courtyard spaces and see the mountains and the palm trees, and you're surrounded by all the natural citrus. And we have many mature citrus trees on site, so we have orange and grapefruit, lime and lemons, and we love for our guests to enjoy them. So we put out citrus pickers, and you're welcome to pick a few pieces. In the marketplace we have cocktail kits, so you can grab some mezcal or some gin, and we give you a little recipe of what we think is most tasty for using the citrus. It's a really special thing about Casa Cody. It's just our real love for hospitality that we allow our guests to pick up pieces of fruit and take them home with them too. Casa Cody has 30 guest rooms, several suites. Different parts of the property were brought in over the course of many years, so we have a lot of history. The Adobe house was built in the early 1900s. The Olympic cottage was brought in from the 1932 Olympics, which were held in Los Angeles, so it was athlete housing at the time. It's a really cute sort of standalone home. It has a full kitchen, a great spot for entertaining, a sort of hospitality suite. We added a little extra half bath in that unit. There's an outdoor shower, and then you have access to two private patios, one in the front that's right in front of our edible garden, and then one to the side right under the mountains with a great dining space if you wanted to host a little outdoor dinner party. And you're also just adjacent to the hot tub, which is fun and a great place to entertain. The Winters house is a California ranch style home. It is on one of the far ends of the property. It was originally owned by the Winters family, and so we've maintained that space as the suite, and then the rest of the home we've broken up into 4 different standard rooms. They can all connect, and something that was really important to us was keeping the history of that space and paying homage to what was originally there. So when you look in the dining room, we have these beautiful little inlets where we've layered books and little vases and things. The kitchen is as it was, with a really beautiful large stove, and we added to it by updating paints and tile and adding some modern amenities to it, our bath amenities and bathrobes and that sort of thing, but most importantly really wanting to speak to the history of that space. So there was beautiful furniture that was existing. We just decided to reupholster it, and we didn't want to make it feel too glossy. It definitely feels like the original home, and I think you get the feeling of the property when staying there. Our large studio rooms have a king-size bed, a beautiful fireplace, a wet bar where you can make some cocktails and drinks, a collection of books by Now Serving. We have partnered with Parachute Home for our bed and bath linens. They do a really beautiful, crisp, clean percale sheet that we love. Our bath amenities are organic, sustainable, all by Mooncloth designs, and our bathrobes are these really beautiful kimono-style poplin robes in a terracotta color with our blue Casetta emblem, and they're by Finery, which is based out of downtown LA. The large studios also have a private patio, and we kept all of the original Satillo floor in all of the rooms and just really upgraded the items that needed upgrading, such as tile and renovating the bathrooms and that sort of thing. We updated all of the furnishings, but really kept the feel of this space. The marketplace is our newest addition to the property. We've curated a really great collection of goodies that you can take home with you as well. We have a custom candle with Rowan candles. We developed a postcard set with some of the archival photographs of Harriet Cody's family. We also have product from Wonder Valley, which is based out of Joshua Tree, different types of soaps and natural oils. And we have a water bottle with Ocean Bottle, our Casetta logo on it. It's made from ocean-bound plastic and really important for us in general to try to be as sustainable as possible. So we try to incorporate sustainability and recycled goods as much as we possibly can. We serve complimentary breakfast in the morning. You can grab our Other People's Coffee, which is our own coffee brand, in the morning. And something that we really wanted to highlight in that space was that we were inspired by Harriet Cody's own kitchen. So this is where she would welcome her friends and where our guests can spend time and get to know each other, learn a little bit more about the property there. Highlighting that sort of kitchen theme and that love and art of bringing people together through food. We worked with a cookbook shop called Now Serving based out of Los Angeles, and they do a collection of cookbooks in all of our rooms that have kitchens, and we also sell them in the marketplace as well. They're really beautiful sort of art book style cookbooks. And then we also partnered with Great Jones Cookware to do our in-room kitchen kit. So if you have booked a cottage with a kitchen, you get this really cute little picnic basket. Inside is all of the cookware that you need to cook a meal or bake some cookies. We have everything you need. We love sharing Palm Springs with our guests, so our front desk team is more than happy to give all of our favorite local recommendations. There's so many great restaurants and bars and museums and vintage shops and all of that in town, so just ask our front desk. You can text our front desk and they'll tell you everywhere to go. We also have bikes that are available complimentary to our guests, so you're welcome to hop on one of those and explore town. There's always something going on in Palm Springs, so it's fun. We always like to highlight for our guests the magic and history that is on property here. There are so many little stories here and there, and people pick up on bits and pieces of them, but it is something that we're so proud of and something that we try to highlight in all of our collateral, and just for our guests to really experience what was once here and what is now. It's really a part of the experience. It's not just checking into a hotel room and sitting by the pool. It's experiencing, all of these stories that have existed in the space and all of these amazing pioneers, Harriet Cody and Lois Kellogg, Charlie Chaplin, Lawrence Tibbett. There's a lot of amazing energy of the space, and we're so proud to be able to honor that and carry it on. Thank you for joining me at Casa Cody. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and we hope to see you soon. Cheers.